Chair, I move that we discuss with the items number 2 and number 3 of our agenda for today.
Moved by Councilor Radok, seconded by Councilor Oscar Bowling and Councilor Apolonio Bacay to dispense the said items. Any objection? Hearing none, the said two items are dispensed. Madam Secretary, please conduct the roll call.
The presiding officer, Vice Mayor Antonio Leroy Perez.
Present.
The presiding officer pro tempore, Councilor Apolonio Di Bacay.
Present.
The majority floor leader, Councilor Cirilo Di Radok.
Present.
The minority floor leader, Councilor Oscar A. Bowling. Councilor Caroline D. Tizon. Councilor Michelle Secondera. Councilor Rufinito Fontelera.
Present.
Councilor Berna Esderabago. Councilor Kobe Deranoy. Councilor Dalia M. De Leon. Councilor Alfred Felix C. De Castro. Ex officio members, Liga ng mga Barangay President Raul D. Bacay. Ang Panlusod na Federasyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan President Robert D. Bernadette. And members of the August body is party to the process.
So the 10 members responded to the call. I now certify that there is a quorum giving out transaction usual business. So before we approve the agenda, can someone move to, since we are moving our regular session from tomorrow to today, can somebody move to...
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move that we adopt the resolution transferring our supposed regular session to be held supposedly tomorrow, December 22, to today, December 21, at 30 o'clock in the morning. Mr. Chair.
It was moved by Councilor Cirilo, majority floor leader, seconded by Councilor Apol Bacay, Councilor Oscar Boy, and Councilor Dalia Dalian for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. So, for our approval of the agenda, as mentioned a while ago, all the existing pending resolutions and items collated for the past weeks were passed to us, and then City Councilor De Castro and I revised and prioritized the items that are needed for this year, and the rest would be deferred to the following month on regular session. So we have here in front of us the updated and the new one. Okay, so is there any motion? Councilor Anton.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I respectfully move that the agenda same for the matters which was previously or earlier discussed to be deferred in the next session be approved by the body.
So moved by Councilor De Castro, seconded by Councilor Season for the approval of the said agenda. Any objections? Are you objecting, Madam Secretary?
No, sir. We have one unassigned business.
Okay. So we have an assigned business. Wow. Don't take na. Madam Secretary, can you read the unassigned business?
This August body has one unassigned business, sir, which is the Supplemental Annual Investment Program number 9. Coupled with the appropriation ordinance enacting supplemental budget number 6 of the local government unit of the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan for the operation of the city government.
Number 9 for you. 6.
6 yung supplemental, sir, 9
So we have two unassigned businesses. Okay, so is there, are you amended to that, Councilor De Castro? Same motion? Okay, it's been moved by Councilor De Castro, seconded by Councilor Oscar Bowling, Councilor Radok, Councilor Season, and Councilor Apol Bacay for the approval of the said agenda. Any other amendments? Hearing none, the said agenda is approved. Adoption of journals in minutes. Anyone? Councilor Dalia Dalian.
Regular session, 12 of December 9. and December 15, 2020.
So moved by Councilor De Leon, any second, seconded by Councilor Oscar Bowling, Councilor Robert Ranoy, and Councilor Apple Bakay for the adoption of the said journal and minutes. Any objection? Amendment? If none, the said journal and minutes are hereby adopted. Okay, privilege hour. Councilor Raul Bakay, is recognized.
Yung pong resolution natin for cancellation, suspended yung pagbabayad ng parking fee ng mga electrical. Pinaglat na po itong December. Nung nag-usap kami ni Sir Mark, nire-reduce ulit yung resolution for subscription. Pero kasi ng January, ang daming mag-hearing ito.
So,
nire-reduce ulit sa body for resolution.
baka hanggang December 31 na yun, di ba?
Oo, hindi ko
Kailan natin balak
hanggang matapos natin yung ginagawa natin mauli ng
So, siguro, we'll include that in our deliberation later. So, regarding that issue. Okay, any other privilege speeches? So, for our first privilege to use the privilege, Councilor Apple Bakay. So, we have our guests here. So, awarding of the certificate of recognition of the Alaminos Mixed Martial Arts Fighters in the recently concluded Tapang sa Tapang 2, an invitational amateur Muay Thai tournament held at Haraki Cave, Oriental City, Pangasinan on last November 21, 2020. Madam Secretary, kindly acknowledge our guests.
Our guests are the MMA coach, Sir Rogelio Wilde. Also,
Tayo po tayo para makilala rin po tayo ng ano.
Sir
This is moved by Councilor Adok, seconded by Councilor Season for the suspension of the rules. Madam Secretary, please acknowledge our winners and our fighters.
Our guests are the MMA coach, Sir Rogelio Wilde.
Madam Secretary, I apologize. May I just request the coach maybe to come here in front or your group representative to acknowledge yung mga kasamahan po ninyo sa grupo po ng Alaminos. Sige po. Hindi po. Pakilala lang po tapos pakilala ng makasama ninyo.
Pwede po sa inyo lahat, Sir Eno. Ako po si Coach Games. Mawali ko. Pwede po po yung Games.
Oh, doing pa.
Coach Michael po. Meron din. And Coach Soriano.
Well, kami ay pasa ba? Ito sa kunya.
Tapos si Sir Michael po. Si Father Then, Sir Jerry po, Rakrabi po. Yung advisor po namin. Then, supporting naman po. Sir Arman po. Ayun na po.
So, nakita kasi namin na kayo po sumali sa isang event at nakita po namin sa Facebook. Tapos natutuwa po yung ating City Council na nag-uwi po kayo ng karangalan sa ating lungsod. So, ito po ay isang hindi man bagong sport, pero dito po ay hindi pa masyadong alam ng mga tao. Kaya natutuwa kami na nagtuturo kayo ng ganitong klaseng disiplina sa ating mga mamamayan. Nag-start ata ito sa Lupap. Nung nagkaroon po kayo ng parang nag-train kayo doon at saka nag-compete kayo within yourself. So, nais po namin kayo bigyan ng recognition dahil yung role po ninyo para po sa papakita ng disiplina at ng being a role model sa kabataan ay gusto po namin supportahan. So gusto rin po namin congratulate yung pong mga nanalo doon po sa inyong recently nalihang competition. Okay, so
Mr. Chair,
yes, Councilor Dong.
Coach, gusto ko lang ma-recognize si mga ito po, si advisor ninyo. Nasa sa harap, si Gary.
We acknowledge the advisor of the group, Sir Jerry. Maybe he could give a few words.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. Susunod to Vice Mayor po. And also, so, sa upcoming game, sa pangungunan ni Coach Mo, so, dinidevelop din namin yung kung ano yung self-discipline kasama. Especially din si Coach Mike, saka si Michael Marsan, na nanalo sila dun sa Ordalita. So, malaking accomplishment din yung pagtutulong ko si James na kahit paano sa simple bagay din na simple exercise, yung baga, yung i-active namin yung kapatid yung sarili mo, so kasi si confidence. So, sana ma-invest din si Councilor Juan na mag-training.
Sabi niya, mas game daw siya eh, na makipag-sparring daw pa.
Mr. Chair, Sir Advisor, ano naman ang ina-advise mo sa mga ano natin yung bawal lang, sa disiplina, bawal lang yung t-shirt, di ba? Siguro pati bawal ng babae, sinasabi sa kanya.
Yun yung talagang number 1, ang naman babae. Bawal na bawal.
Nakakawala ng focus.
Wala nang focus.
Oo.
So, thank you for everyone yan po.
So any other po, congratulatory messages po. So yun po, papasalamat po kami sa inyong tapang at sa inyong disiplina. At sana mas marami pang kabataan ang lumayas sa mga idolo nila gaya po ninyo. So thank you for giving pride sa Aladino City. At kung ano man ang matulong po ng sanggunian sa inyo, ay nandito lang po kami kasama po ninyo. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga kaibigan. So, we have certificates to award them. Sige, unahin ko na po. Siguro pagka tinawag ko po, punta na po tayo dito sa site para at least meron po tayong photo of. This certificate of recognition is awarded to Michael Angelo H. Soriano, champion of boxing, for his remarkable achievement during the Tapang sa Tapang 2 Invitational Muay Thai Tournament held at the Rocky Fitness and Martial Arts Gym within the City, Pangasinan on 21 October 2020 for promoting and cultivating mixed martial arts, Muay Thai and other combat sports, and for being a role model to the youth as a dedicated athlete by fostering fitness, skills, and discipline. Awarded today. Saan po si Sir? One, two, three, double. So the same certificate of recognition is awarded to Michael A. Marzan, champion for kickboxing, for his remarkable achievement during the Tapang sa Tapang 2 Invitational Muay Thai Tournament held at the Rocky Fitness and Martial Arts Gym within the City, Pangasinan. For promoting and cultivating martial arts, Muay Thai, and other combat sports, and for being a role model the youth as a dedicated athlete by fostering fitness, skills, and discipline. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Michael Mota.
Ito po. 1, 2, 3.
And in behalf of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Alaminos, the City Council, this certificate of recognition is awarded to Alaminos MMA fighters with Coach James Bayukan for bringing honor and pride to the city of Alaminos during the Tapang sa Tapang 2 Invitation Muay Thai Tournament. Palakpakan po natin ng mga MMA fighters.
Ito po. 1, 2, 3. Ito po. 1, 2.
Para sa advisor, ginagawa pa namin. Bago na.
Councilor Wendok, do you have a manifestation?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, I would like to propose a resolution congratulating also the advisor of the group
Okay.
for these good advices.
So, sana po masuportahan natin ang mga advokasya ng mga fighters po natin dahil nagbibigay po karangalan po sila sa atin. Again, maraming sila, maraming salamat. Okay, so under the suspension of the rules, any other privilege speeches? Nabigyan niyo yung resolution? Okay. Salamat ha. Thank you. Dito lang. Sige po. So, under the suspension of the rules, to accommodate our guests, Madam OIC, can you read the under proposed resolution? Ay, sorry, may isa pa pala. Item number 2, under privilege hour, Mr. Jesse Tolentino, President, High Ace, request for financial compensation for members' benefits under the CNA. May we recognize Jesse Tolentino.
Sa lahat, isang mapagpalang umaga po. Una po sa lahat, advance Merry Christmas na Happy New Year. So ito na po yan. Ang High Ace po ay papasalamat dahil una in-accredit po ng SP na-register po ang High Ace ng Islands Association of City Employees at ngayon meron na po tayong CNA na kung saan authorized po ng SP ang ating magiging city mayor para po magkaroon ng collective negotiating agreement. So nakasaad po doon na ang empleyado ay may karapatan o right to self-organization and collective negotiation are as follows granted in 3 separate provisions of 1997 Philippine Constitution such as follows. Article 3, Section 8, the right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sectors, form unions, associations, or societies for purpose not contrary to law, shall not be abused. Article 9, Section 2, the right to self-organization shall not be denied to government employees. Article 13, Section 3, the state shall afford full protection to labor, local and overseas organized and unorganized, and promote full employment and quality of employment opportunities for all. So ngayon po, nung assign po ang ating CNA, so nakapalo po dun sa CNA na pinabargain po ng rank and file, ito po yun. Collective negotiation agreement incentive based on existing guidelines and succeeding guidelines that may be issued, the city government of Alaminos agrees to grant
collective negotiation agreement incentive to all employees in such amount as is reasonable and as may be permitted by the financial position of the City of Alaminos and not be exceed the amount set by the Department of Budget and Management. The grant of CNA incentive shall be in accordance with the period provided by the Department of Budget and Management. To generate savings needed for the grant CNA incentive, both parties agreed to implement the following cost-cutting measures that will help us organization save costs as much as possible. Communication, repair and maintenance, supplies and materials, utility expenses, transportation and delivery expenses, travel expenses. IAs in accordance with the City Government of Alaminos shall formulate specific cost-cutting measures and budget items enumerated in the previous sections. Adoption of fiberglass limited subscription newspaper, energy saving and adoption schemes such as turning in the air conditioning unit only during the presence of employees and service population. Other cost-cutting measures that may be adopted by the parties. So, ibig sabihin po nun, so na-meet po natin at nakapag-save po tayo. Ngayon, nagbigay ng circular po ang ating Department of Budget and Finance, DBM, na kung saan ito naman po yung guidelines kung paano may bibigay naman po sa ating lahat. Actually, hindi lang po sa mga rank and file, ito po ay nakapag-load po sa rank and file at mga department heads at mga officers po, officials, civil officials po natin. So, Budget Circular number 2020-5, November 4, 2020. Ito po ang subject niya, guidelines on the grant of collective negotiation agreement, sending incentive for fiscal year 2020. So, collective negotiation agreement incentive this will be granted to both management and rank and file. So, ibig sabihin para sa ating lahat dito. Employees of agencies with approved and successfully implemented CNAs in recognition of their efforts in accomplishing performance targets and lesser costs in attaining more efficient and viable operations to the cost cutting model. So, ang high ace po ay gumawa na rin po ng activity niya program. Tumulong din po sa city government sa pamamagitan ng sahod ko, tulong ko. So, nagbigay po yung mga rank and file, mga department head na kanilang mga share. Tapos, bumili po tayo ng bigas during pandemic time. So, binili po natin ng bigas at binigay po natin sa ating mga kababayan. Headed by our City Mayor Art Brian Celeste and our City Vice Mayor Anton Perez. So, muli po, kami po ay nagpapasalamat. Doon po sa hindi namin na natipid po natin para po maibigay po lahat sa mga empleadong nangangailangan, lalo na po ngayon, since Christmas po. So, maraming salamat. So, yun lang po at sana po sa ibibigay at ibinigay para sa po sa empleyado at sa mga city officials at department heads. Maraming salamat.
Okay, before you, so basically, ang mangyayari po kasi, meron pong after December 15, yung mga napag-ipon ng mga savings, a portion of that pwede pong ibigay din sa union. So nagre-request nga, kinausap ako nila Kester at ng mga ibang union na from our department, kung pwede rin tayo magbigay out of our savings para maidagdag doon sa magiging benepisyo ng mga empleyado. But I believe lahat po mga kuha as rank and file at casual department. Meron lang parang agency fee ba? Parang agency fee pagka hindi ka part nung so, meron po tayo po sa legislative, meron po tayong savings. So, siguro pag-usapan natin kung magkano yung pwede natin i-share na tulungan din natin yung pangagandang kung okay po. So, may questions pa tayo from the body? Yes, Councilor.
Hindi po. So, ito po ay rank and file ng city employees from the city government. So kami po yung salary grade 22 and below na permanent at casual po. So kami po.
So is there any way na pwede bang isama yung JO kahit na konting amount para at least lahat talaga makinama? Meron bang sa memong nabasa o mga rules na pwedeng i-add rin yung ating mga job orders?
Ang nakalagay po kasi regular sa casual sa silang
So, siguro yung makukuha ninyo pwedeng i-donate na rin sa
ang makukuha po ng council.
yung parang ginawa nila, di ba? Parang ginawa nila.
Nasabi ko, yung mga savings na napanangay. Last time, hindi pa kayo nabos sa bilan.
Yung savings po, sahod po natin nun, sahod po namin na kung saan gumawa rin kami ng paraan upang makatulong po sa ating mga kababayan. Dahil yun nga po, kami po ay nagsasahod, hindi po pumapasok. So, that's the time na naisip din namin na i-share po para kahit pa paano po makatulong din po para sa atin.
Maganda rin yun, ano? Kasi pati sa mga iba't ibang barangay natin, di ba? Lahat naman ng empleyado may iba't ibang barangay, di ba? They can also help there. Di ba? Individually. Any other questions to our high aides? Kung wala na, maraming salamat, Sir Jester. At naway, paglaban ninyo ang mga karapatan at ang mga benepisyo ng ating mga empleyado para po sa ating.
Salamat.
Salamat. Okay, we proceed to under proposed resolutions, Madam Secretary. Please read all three.
Now we proceed to the proposed resolution. The first item is a request for a resolution approving the additional partial list of specific projects funded out of the Special Purpose Appropriation Fund amounting to 1,512,465 pesos and 19 centavos, and the Special Invitation Fund amounting to 512,856 pesos of the City of Alaminos for the calendar year 2020. The next item is a request for resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian Rovideste to enter into a memorandum of agreement by and between the City Government of Alaminos, Pangasinan and the Region 1 Medical Center as partner hospital where patients undergoing dialysis may be referred to in case of emergency medical needs. And last item is the request for resolution approving the additional partial list of specific projects funded out of the Special Purpose Appropriation Fund amounting to 1,901,263 pesos and 94 centavos for the City of Alaminos for calendar year 2020.
Okay, we so we just continue on the suspension of the rules. I would like to prioritize item number 2. Madam Secretary, please acknowledge our.
For item number 2, we have our officer in charge of the City Health Office, Dr. Adana de Armando.
Gandang umaga po, Dr.
Good morning po sa ating lahat. So the proposed resolution for authorizing the Mayor Art Brian Rovideste to enter into a memorandum of agreement between the LGU and the Region 1 Medical Center for the referral of our cases for the dialysis. So we already have a memorandum of agreement with Alaminos Doctors Hospital, level 1 hospital. So we want to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Regional Medical Center, which is a level 2 hospital. For within the patients for very bedridden with unstable medical conditions, those in need of hospitalization. And upon check up or consultation with the doctor, need to be referred to the hospital. So the doctor, with Dr. Hospital, does not have an ICU, so we also have to enter into a MOA with a level 2 hospital. This is a very good hospital.
Any questions from the body? Ma'am, is it possible na magkaroon din tayo ng parang partnership with the tertiary hospital or kung tayo nag-refer PGH o sa Manila na yun? Possible ba? O hindi ba naman kailangan ito?
As of now, sir.
Ay, hindi pa naman kailangan. Okay. Any questions po? Any health concerns po na gusto mo ating tanongin? This is our Dr. Dennis here. How's your apple bahay?
Ilan po ba nag-retire? Ngayon wala po kami isa-isa. Pero sa mga pumupunta na po ng nagiging party sa atin, medyo malaki po yung numbers po nila. So, kailangan na po natin na dialysis. So, nagkaroon po ng initial assessment ng Department of Health this December lang po, mga second week po ng December. So, may mga konting deficiencies po tayo na we have to comply within 1 month and we have to reassess.
Ay, yung dialysis center po.
Yes.
Pero nandiyan na po lahat. May gamit na, tapos nataka na rin. Ito po siya.
Yes,
Tapos na yung training. Any other questions from our Dr. Dana? Kung wala na, ma'am, maraming pong salamat. Good morning po.
happy holidays.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Okay, we proceed to item number 1 and item number 3. To Madam Secretary, please acknowledge our guests.
For items number 1 and number 3, we have the members of the and representative from the local finance committee. We have Madam Ruel